Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. Now I know you've all seen those one-way turn lanes that are surrounded by concrete so you can only use them in the one direction. Well, this car decided to make it a two-direction turn lane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way. Suits on it than any monetary value, and just went from there.
Yeah. Gas is $3.49 and $3.48, and at the store it's $3.
That's not how you use that. I have to take the memory card in when we get home. Hey you! Yeah, you! If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.